How to solve excavators' abnormal engine cylinder pressure easily. Have you experienced abnormal engine cylinder pressure in excavators before? This problem not only affects the excavator's normal operation but also seriously disrupts your progress. Today, we'll reveal the secret and help you resolve this problem easily. Understanding the causes of abnormal cylinder pressure. To understand the causes of abnormal cylinder pressure, we need to first comprehend them. Abnormal cylinder pressure is often caused by factors like piston ring wear, cylinder wall wear, and improper valve closure. These reasons will decrease cylinder pressure and affect engine operation. Easy methods to solve abnormal cylinder pressure. So, how can we solve the abnormal cylinder pressure easily? Now, let's provide you with some practical solutions. 1. Replace the piston rings. If the piston rings are severely worn, replacing them can restore the pressure inside the cylinder. 2. Repair the cylinder wall. If the cylinder wall is worn, it can be repaired using special materials to restore the pressure inside. Adjust valve clearance to ensure proper valve closure and solve abnormal cylinder pressure in excavator engines. During this process, we learned practical skills and gained a better understanding of excavators' performance and characteristics. Let's collaborate to maximize excavator potential.